Be me, 24, average-looking bookstore employee. Finally dating QT 7 out of 10 after meeting at local coffee shop. Still not sure what she sees in me. Things going great for first few months. She starts hinting at taking things to the next level. I think she means marriage. Try to be more romantic and sweet. Invite her to watch me compete in local Valorant tournament. Try harder to make her happy. Fancy dinners, weekend trips, buy her flowers randomly. One night I joke about trying something new. She perks up and listens intently. I offer to let her peg me. Doing this for my girlfriend.avi. Want to keep her happy. Her face curls up in a smile. I accept my fate. Experience is exactly as uncomfortable as expected. Pretend it was fine. Things seem normal for a while. Notice she's always on phone lately. Hiding screen when I walk by. Just work stuff Anon. Yeah right. GIF. Getting less and less attention. Fewer messages during day. Barely any physical contact. Mentions after work meetups with colleagues. Internal panic mode engaged. This is when she breaks up with me. Suddenly invites me to work meetup. Surprised but also relieved. Maybe this will work out after all. Meet her coworkers at local bar. All of them are fun to hang out with. Especially this one guy, James. James is actually pretty cool. Talks about games and tech. Get his number somehow. Few days later he texts. Won this gaming PC in raffle, don't really game. Think you can use it. Literally better specs than my current setup. RTX 4090 i9 64 gigabytes of RAM. Like Christmas came early. James becomes gaming buddy. He's not good and isn't online often. But we play here and there. Girlfriend seems happy I'm occupied. Should have seen the red flags. Fast forward 1 month. We need to talk. Oh no, here it comes. James and I have been seeing each other for over 3 months. My face when I realized the PC was a distraction. My face when I got pegged and cucked. Thanks, James, you magnificent bastard. Still can't hate him. He played me like a damn fiddle.